Wheeler's Participatory Universe. You know that old question about whether a tree falling in the forest makes a sound if no one's around to hear it? Well, according to Wheeler's Participatory Universe theory, that tree might not even exist until someone looks at it. In fact, nothing exists until it's being observed. It's like reality is the world's laziest artist, only drawing the parts of the picture that someone's looking at. That galaxy a billion light years away, it might have been in a state of maybe until your telescope pointed at it. Those dinosaur bones, they might have been in quantum limbo until someone dug them up. The universe is basically running on the ultimate procrastination strategy. Why bother making things real until someone's actually going to check on them? Zero Energy Universe. The Zero Energy Universe theory tells us that everything in existence is basically one giant cosmic accounting scheme where everything adds up to exactly zero. Every time it puts something in the positive column, it has to balance it out in the negative column. The Big Bang was the universe creating a perfectly balanced ledger, where every positive entry generates an equal negative entry, creating everything from nothing. Everything that exists, planets, French fries, your collection of unmatched socks, might just be an elaborate accounting trick, and this cosmic accounting trick might explain how the entire universe and everything in it could have appeared from nothing. Closed Timelike Curves theory. Closed Timelike Curves theory suggests that time doesn't always move in a straight line. Sometimes it curves back on itself, trapping moments in endless cycles like a cosmic game of Snake, except you're stuck eating your own tail for eternity. Your life could be like a roller coaster, but instead of an elaborate track, it's just a single loop containing every moment of your existence. Walking through one of these cosmic loops would be like stepping onto a moving walkway that brings you right back to where you started. Except you're not just returning to the same place, you're returning to the same moment in time. You might just be in the midst of one of those loops now, playing out your reality exactly as you have infinite times before. Eternal Inflation Theory. Eternal inflation theory is like living in the ultimate bubble bath, but instead of rubber ducks and soapy water, you've got entire universes floating around. Now imagine our tub itself is growing faster than the speed of light, with an infinite number of bubble universes growing and being created from it. Every one of those bubbles has its own set of rules. Maybe in one bubble light is liquid, or gravity pulls sideways, or pineapples actually belong on pizza. The thing about bubbles though, is that they don't always play nice when they meet. There could be another universe somewhere out there drifting towards ours, faster than the speed of light. If our bubbles touch and our physics don't match, both universes would just end with a cosmic pop.